I have 4 clips in the timeline about the new Gmoji feature and need to differentiate between animation and illustration. We are putting a new side-by-side transition between 2 clips, and then a call-out effect on the top clip to highlight a section, in this case contents, in the green circle. Go to top right and click on Contents and Effects. Then click on Transitions. Locate side-by-side transition and drag it to the timeline. Let's preview it. It's a little short, so I will extend it a bit. Better. Now, I am putting the call-out effect on the top clip. Click back, and then select Effects. Locate call-out effect and drag it on top of clip. To adjust the effect, click on bottom left, Inspect tab. Then click on Layers. And then on Callout tab. Now you can adjust its parameters. Drag on the circle to find the desired area to focus in the outer. Smaller circle controls the amount of zoom. The 90-degree handles control the width and height of the area. Lastly, any point within the area you can drag it to the desired part of the screen. You may also adjust the parameters on the Inspect section if you wish. Let's take a look at the final result as shown in the beginning of the intro. Thanks for watching.